I saw a question on Reddit the other day and thought it would make a great YouTube video. My name is Nina, and I'm about to get in your business. If you would like to know more about business operations, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you will be alerted when new videos are uploaded. The question was submitted on Reddit. The author of this post said that they recently hired an accountant to take over their finances. The questions were: 1. What should we ask of him and expect from him? 2. Could we give him the amount we want to take home each month and expect him to help us set budgets and goals and give us an idea of what it would take to make that happen? A general definition of an accountant is a trained individual who summarizes and or records business and or financial transactions. In addition, accountants analyze, verify, and report the results of those findings to various entities like government agencies, the IRS, and banks. I've heard the term bookkeeper and accountant used interchangeably. Let me say, a bookkeeper is the individual who enters the data in the software system used for maintaining the financial information, like QuickBooks. The accountant interprets that information entered into QuickBooks by the bookkeeper. Accountants can also be bookkeepers. With that being said, a bookkeeper that's not trained to be an accountant can't be an accountant. And there'll be people who disagree with that. So to answer the question from the author, 1. What to expect from an accountant? Expect the accountant to do things like analyze and interpret your financial information, discuss the information like if the company is making a profit, losing money, where is the company spending most of its money, and other information based on the accounting data. But keep in mind, this information is not forthcoming. This is information the business owner must ask. Accountants should be able to help business owners learn how to read the financial reports, file federal, state, and franchise taxes on behalf of the company. The accountant can also file the personal taxes of the business owner. An accountant is qualified to perform bookkeeping tasks in addition to interpreting data. These types of tasks can be expected from an accountant. The other question: could we give the accountant the amount of money we want to take home each month? I'm assuming that this is talking about payroll, and the answer is yes. An accountant can perform payroll tasks like issuing payroll to employees, file your W-2 forms annually, pay and submit payroll tax returns on behalf of the company. Can we expect an accountant to help us set up budgets and goals and give us an idea of what it would take to make this happen? Unless the accountant has experience establishing budgets for companies, this is something that typically the accountant doesn't do. Those are tasks typically done by business consultants or coaches who help establish budgets and goals. In addition, business consultants and business coaches help with setting deadlines and help with overcoming obstacles and pitfalls related to meeting those deadlines. When using an accountant to manage your finances, I recommend the following. Request meetings with your accountant to review your financials. Ensure your company is submitting all the documents and receipts necessary to maintain accurate records, since the financial reports are only as accurate as the information submitted by your company. Accurate records increase the chance of producing accurate financial reports, timely tax returns, and a host of other things. Request a copy of your company's financial records. For example, if the accountant uses QuickBooks, a copy of the company's QuickBooks file should be requested. Purchase a copy of the software used by the accountant, in my example QuickBooks, Upload the file to a secure company computer and learn more about how to perform simple tasks like writing a check or creating a financial report. This is where a written business process will come in handy. Please keep in mind that accountants either have a flat rate or they bill in increments of time, like 15 minutes, 6 minutes, and round up as needed. When hiring an accountant, ask about the billing process. Will the company be billed for email correspondence, phone calls, meetings, additional education, etc.? This will help with you budgeting for the cost of the accounting firm. Accountants will perform whatever tasks your company requests, and some will even hire a subcontractor to complete those tasks if necessary. A lot of what an accountant does depends on their scope of services and what you can afford to pay. Thanks for watching.